welcome to Yossi's kitchen. Today we're gonna make chili bean with anchovy. This is the ingredients: green beans, white tofu, dried anchovy. We use whole anchovy, big chili, 1 tomato, shallot, ginger, and garlic. So before we cooking, we fry the anchovy until golden brown. In the pencil, we crush 4 chilies, 2 cloves garlic, and 2 centimeters of gingers. If very hard to crush, we can put salt to make it easy to crush. Okay, here in the fry pan we have sunflower oil, approximately 3 spoons. And now we start to cook. First we put the shallot. Fry the shallot. The amount here is my amount, so if you don't like the chili, you can reduce the chili, maybe just 2 chili. I use 4 of chilies, but you can use maybe less than 4. We fry the shallot until golden brown. Once the shallots already turn golden brown, we can put the chili. Fry it for approximately 2 minutes. And add the tomato. We can put a little bit of water to soften the tomato. Okay, and then we can add the hard tofu. We're gonna fry this tofu approximately 5 minutes. In this dish, I use about 300 grams of hard tofu and 300 grams of green beans. So now after this, I'm gonna add the green beans. Let them cook together until the green beans soft. Here I'm gonna use the Vegeta, but you can use other gourmet stock as your favorite one. Just put 1 spoon because we already put salt in the pencil when we crush the chili. Okay, let the bean soft, and after that we can put the anchovy. Once the beans are cooked, we add the anchovy, we stir and then finish. Okay, this is the chili bean with anchovy. Hope you enjoyed. Bon appetit!